Good morning, friends. Present session is dedicated to class 9, and we are going to discuss poem number 2, The Wind by Subramaniam Bharati. Yes, friends, the wind is a symbol of difficulties and obstacles human face for his or for their survival. Wind symbolizes all the obstacles and difficulties that generally human beings face for their survival. Initially, the poet requests the wind to blow gently and not to be violent, but the wind doesn't agree to do so. The wind blows violently and causes destruction. To add fuel to fire, it brings a storm and fast blowing wind, which damages many things. The wind is always followed by the rain. The storm causes a lot of damage. It breaks the shutters and windows. It scatters the papers and throws down book from the shelves. It further, tears down the pages of the books. The storm causes indeed a lot of damage to the nature. The poet personifies the wind as God. The wind makes fun and explains the situation. It hurts and weakens the weak persons, man-made structures, and natural objects. On the other hand, it gives support to the strong. The fast blowing wind destroys the weak structures like the weak houses, weak doors, weak trees, and people who are physically and mentally weak. Therefore, this present poem, The Wind, inspires us to face the challenges thrown to us with grit and determination. We should always be strong like the wind. We should never be weak. We should be strong enough to face the challenges of life with courage. Therefore, the poem is a satire on human weakness and the power of the strong human. If we are really facing the difficulties and obstacles of life with guts and determination, we will definitely overcome the challenges. Otherwise, if we are weak before the nature will also destroy us. Therefore, we have to be brave like the wind. The poet advises us to be strong and to construct strong houses so that when the wind becomes violent, there should be no damage. The poet, suggests us to be friendly with the wind, but always face the wind with grit and determination. We should use our intellect and power to face the challenges of life. Otherwise, our weakness will be exploited by the nature. Therefore, the poem consists of total of 22 lines, and these lines are not separated into a stanza. So they're just divided into meaningful segments. That is why this poem is not having a systematic, stanzas. Therefore, the wind symbolizes obstacles and difficulties of life. It inspires us to be strong and face the challenges with grit and determination, with, courage and patience. The poem is a satire on human weakness, but it also serves as an inspiration for strong hearted people. We should always be strong enough to face the challenges of life. Thank you. Have a nice day.